In front of me is OnePlus 15R, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on System and Update. Then tap on Input Method, Auto-fill for Google, and finally Google Password Manager. Now select any password you wanna delete and enter your current login method. Tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!